In this video, we are going to demonstrate how you would use a front or two-wheeled walker, which I have here. You see the two wheels in the front here. How to use this if you have a weak leg, if you have a leg that you've had surgery on that you may be partial weight bearing or limited weight bearing. So we're going to show you how to do that. So when you're using a front-wheeled or two-wheeled walker, you're not going to pick the walker up when you advance it. You're going to roll it forward. You're going to have some type of a glide, whether it be tennis balls or ski glides or something like that on the back of the walker so you don't have to pick it up. So with this, you're going to advance the walker. Then you're going to put some weight through your arms because, again, you've got limited weight bearing on your injured leg. You're going to bring that foot right to the middle of the walker and then bring your good foot to it. You're going to push the walker, bring your injured foot forward, and bring your good leg to it. This is called a step 2 gait. So that's what we're doing here. You advance the walker, your injured leg, and bring your good leg to the injured leg.